bringing more than 200 delegates from all over the world, and it was a great experience with more than 11,000. Apart from that, being a teacher, your focus on and you have been always
இனிய விழாவிற்கு வந்திருக்கும் உங்களை அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய காலை வணக்கங்கள். Most respected Dr. P. Balaji, Dean of Stanley Medical College and Hospital, and today's guest of honor, the respected K.K. Selvan, Executive Trustee, CL Bede, Mehta College of
Francis Kevin Raj. Dr. Mausigan. And University second rank holder Bhuvana Priya.
Now, Department of Pharmacognosy to announce the graduates of M.Pharm. The degree certificates to M.Pharm graduates.
Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. K. Narayanasamy, I am privileged to present the following candidates who have completed Sutix Anandan D. Janaki D. Radhika R. Saravanakumar M. Sri Ranjini. Karnanidhi. Niveda. From Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Bhuvaneshwari S. Bhuvaneshwari P.